Naturally, do what you love, then you'll be happy. Know what's right in your heart. Don't let your brain tear you apart. Learn from your mistakes. Don't get stuck in the past, there's no time to waste. It's time to move forward and be free at last. So I'm gonna be that social butterfly. I don't need no rollerblades this time. Gonna float up out that window so high, so high. Catching colors in the sky. Gonna live my dreams, rise up to my potential. I'm a lively girl. Did I forget to mention I wanted you, your love and affection, but it was never enough, so I chose a new direction. Know what's right in your heart. Don't let your brain tear you apart. Learn from your mistakes. Don't get stuck in the past, there's no time to waste. It's time to move forward and be free at last. So, catch colors in the sky, everything's a beautiful, everything's alive. I'm a funny kind of butterfly flown in the sky. My dreams are big and so am I. So never give up, 'cause you've always got to try. You'll always end up wondering why. I said never give up, 'cause you've always got to try. You'll always end up wondering why. Just blast off into space, flying like a rocket, explode like a firework, stars all in my pocket. I know what's right in my heart. I'm never gonna let you tear me apart. I've learned from my mistakes. I'm not stuck in the past, there's no time to waste. Moving forward, I'm free. love that song. It means a lot to me, that one. Yeah. I feel like that was the first proper positive song that I wrote. Yeah, I wrote one before that on the uke, but it's a sad song about beating myself up and not being able to be my own best friend. But yeah, then when I was in a toxic relationship at the time as well, when I wrote that song, and when I was like performing it, the person I was with at the time didn't like it because they thought it would make people think about them, but it was actually about how I beat myself up, you know. But then we can beat ourselves up more when we're in these toxic dynamics and relationships, you know. And this song is about breaking free from that, you know. And that was many years ago that I wrote it, but it resonates harder each time that I have to relearn that bloody lesson. But I feel like it's solidified now, and I'm loving myself. I'm living my dreams. And yeah, just knowing that the answer's within ourselves. We don't need to seek externally so much. Yeah, be humbled and learn from everything around us, yes. Always be open to learn, even from things that negative experiences, you know, or positive ones, you know. We can learn from everything. We can learn from any kind of person. But when we're seeking others' approval, well, others' knowledge or wisdom above our own inner wisdom, you know, we all have inner wisdom within that comes from source, that comes from God. So trust in that first, yeah. And the Rastas remind me of that, you know. Rasta's the way. You know, liberty, 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 life. We want life. We want liberty, longevity, to look after ourselves, to eat the ITIL foods, you know, and not be held back. Get my jingly janglies out. Not be held back, you know. Just tuning into my crystals. I got these in Lanzarote many years ago now. I think like 7 years ago now, but I love them. I like simple jewelry like that, simple. These, what my dad got me for my birthday, and they're made of like little bits of like paper and stuff. I don't know if you can, trying to zoom in on it, but it's not doing it. If I put my face with it, it might focus. I don't know, but yeah, it's like bits of stuff wrapped around, and I love it. I love that reuse and recycle ingeniousness. I'd rather that than diamonds, to be honest. Yeah, reusing, and it's wearable, durable, lightweight. No one's gonna try and steal it, but it's beautiful all the same. I love it. Love myself. I really feel that. I know I've been sharing with you guys a long time on my journey, and sharing my self-love and my journey of that, you know, and solitude. A lot of my solitude times are actually spent with you guys, but I have a lot of solitude away from the camera as well, obviously. I have a lot of solitude, to be fair. I need it because else I go crazy. It's just so humbling and divine. It's sacred to spend time with ourselves, you know. Oh, I've got this such headache lately. I just gave myself a nice head massage earlier. That's why my hair's a bit poofy. But I like it. I love the poofy hair. Blending in with the tree. Oh, poofy. I love it. See, my hair dries more like this when it's actually in sunshiny weather. But here it dries so flat, I gotta poof it out. Anyway, enough about hair. Sorry, it's so nice here. Let me show you. Well, that's not so nice, the sky. But the trees are nice. But there's lots of chemtrails. The sky looks nice over here, well, apart from those chemtrails. Oh. Stop polluting our earth with crap. please. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, just remember to love yourself and stay blessed and take the time what you need. Take some time in nature, whatever helps you tune in to self, your divine self. I'm gonna go and have a bath when I get home if I have the energy, because I feel to decompress. Yeah, it's a new moon tonight, so a great time to set those intentions of what you want to manifest, and that's what I shall be doing later, and just taking it easy, taking time to look inward and yeah, be with ourselves in our internal world. Love you. Peace.